1.5 million birds stopping to refuel in Squaw Creek, Missouri. Bald eagles have been gathering, waiting for this opportunity. It might look like a lot of food, but these are a winter prey of last resort. Almost as big as an eagle, a goose is a large and difficult prey, and the flock takes on a life of its own. An impenetrable wall of beating wings. In the visual confusion, picking a single target is almost impossible. The eagles must wait for conditions to change. At this time of year, the lake can freeze overnight. This is